Good afternoon, I am Acer Vagway. This time I'm going to perform baby bath. First, we're going to do proper hand hygiene. Second, gather all the needed materials and prepare it. The needed materials are the baby bath with rubber sheet, hot water, tap water, shampoo, soap, baby soap, cotton buds, cotton balls, extra basin for the used cotton balls. We have 3 basins. First basin is for the face. Second basin is for the shampooing or for the head. And for the third basin is for the rinsing. We also need the face cloth, baby oil, comb, thermometer for checking the temperature of the baby. We need 2 blankets. First blanket is for the first counter. For the first counter, the purpose is for unwrapping the baby and for drying the baby. For the second counter, we have extra or second linen. This is for dressing the baby. We also need laundry hamper. Okay, after gathering all the needed materials, we're going to secure the area, provide privacy by closing the window, the door. We're going to turn off the aircon and the electric fan. Then let's proceed. Let's mix the water, the hot water and the tap water. Okay. Make sure that the tap water level is 2 to 3 inches. Pero nakadepende pa rin po sa height ng baby natin. And let's carry the baby. Introduce yourself. Hello baby, I'm Ace. Okay. Let's check the temperature first. If the temperature is normal, proceed with the procedure. If it's not, report or inform the medical staff or the parent. Okay. Then let's check the diaper if it is soiled. If it's not, proceed with the procedure. If it's soiled, let's remove it first. Remove the lower garments. Put it on the laundry hamper. So the diaper is soiled. So let's remove it by rolling it. Then discard. Get the cotton balls, dip it into the water, remove excess water, clean it from upper to lower, and then discard. Get another cotton balls, do the same procedure, dip and remove excess water from upper to lower, and then discard. Okay, and then pat wrap. And then wrap the baby on to avoid cheating. Okay, so let's proceed with the eye. Get cotton balls. In cleaning the eye, it should be in the inner canthus to outer canthus. Then discard. Do the same procedure. Inner canthus to outer canthus, and then discard. And then if you're going to use cotton balls, let's do the S manner or S pattern. And in a circular motion, start in the forehead, going to the cheek, going to the bridge of the nose, going to the chin, going to the neck, and to the back of the ear. Then discard. Do the same procedure. Forehead, cheek, bridge of the nose, chin, neck, going to the back of the ear, and then discard. Okay. If we're going to use the face cloth, let's do a knit. Wet the face cloth and then remove excess water. Then tip, starting from the forehead, going to the cheek, bridge of the nose, chin, neck, going to the back of the ear. And then remove the face cloth. Then do knit again. Start with the forehead. Do the same procedure. Going to the cheek, bridge of the nose, chin, going to the neck, and to the back of the ear. Then place the face cloth to the laundry hamper. Okay? And then pat wrap. Next, we're going to get the cotton buds, dip it to the water, remove remove excess water, then clean the nostrils. And then discard. Get another cotton pads, dip it into the water, remove excess water, then clean the ear from inner lobe to outer lobe. Do it with the same procedure from to the other side, inner lobe to outer lobe, and then discard, and then pat dry. Okay? After that, we're going to proceed to the head. So we're going to carry the baby in a football hold. In football hold, we're going to support the shoulder, the neck, and also the head. Okay? So let's get the pacing. First is wash the or wet the head. Okay? In washing the head, make sure to cover the ear. Okay? Wet the head and then get ample amount of shampoo. Gently massage or gently rub. Okay? And then rinse. Okay? Remove the baby to the first quarter. Okay, then pat dry. Okay? So we're done with the head. So let's proceed with the body. Remove the upper garments. Carry the baby. Put the news to the another hamper. Okay. So we're going to put the baby in a tub. Okay. We're going to first wet the upper extremities, starting from the left, from the quarter, or wet, then going to the chest, going to the abdomen, going to the perineum, going to the lower extremities. And get ample amount of soap. Okay? Gently massage or gently rub. Also clean the inner finger. Okay? Going to the chest, abdomen, to the perineum, and lower extremities. Also clean the inner middle two fingers, finger toe. Okay? And then rinse the baby. After rinsing, we're going to clean also the back of the baby. Support the head. Okay, when done going to the bottom. Then get ample amount of soap. And then gently rub or gently massage. Going to the buttocks. And then rinse. So we're done with bottom. We're going to dry the baby. Put the baby in the first quarter. Okay, and then pat dry. So we're going to put the baby to the second quarter for dressing. First, we're going to put the or wear the diaper. After that, we're going to wear the upper garments. Wear the mittens. Wear the lower garment. wear the booties. And lastly, we can put or apply baby oil to the head. Okay. And then comb it gently. Then we can put the bonnet. Then we should mummify the baby or wrap the baby. And then let's recheck the temperature of the baby. Okay. Then return the baby to the crib. And then clean the area or return the materials and then document and do proper hand hygiene.